Half of black folks have a credit score below 620, not poor people. Everybody. Latinos are right behind us.
I need everybody to let me know in the comments if they are tired of making excuses. Previous generations had an excuse for this, but we don't have an excuse for this today. Credit Sesame reflects these same statistics. Half of black Americans, 58%, have either a poor credit or no credit score. Regardless of the reason that we might be in a poor credit situation, there's too much information out there that will show us how to get out of those situations. For some of us, it's not even a money issue, it's a money management issue. At the end of the day, if you don't know credit, you're going to make serious mistakes and you're not going to know how to fix them. Poor credit's going to cost you more money and it's going to limit your options financially. That's why the training that I have is so important, is because it educates you. And that not only allows you to clean up your credit, but it teaches you the fundamentals of how credit works. And that's something many people don't have. You can blame your family, you can blame the man, you can blame the woman, you can blame the economy. But if you know how the credit game works, you can overcome these situations. Let me know in the comments if you're tired of making excuses.